exciting adventure to learn about our little friends, the bees. Bees are incredible creatures that live in a hive, work super hard, and make delicious honey. But did you know they have a special life cycle? Let's dive in. It all starts with an egg, laid by the queen bee in a cozy cell. In just a few days, these eggs hatch into larvae. They're tiny and don't look much like bees yet. These baby bees, called larvae, love to eat. They munch on honey and pollen until they grow big and strong. After eating a lot, they take a long nap in a special blanket called a cocoon. Inside, they transform. This stage is called the pupa. When they wake up, they're adult bees. There are 3 types of adult bees: worker bees, drones, and the queen bee. Worker bees are super busy. They clean the hive, collect pollen, and make honey. Drones are the boys. They don't work in the hive but have another important job. And there's only one queen bee. She's the mother of all bees in the hive. Worker bees are the all-stars of the hive. They're female bees that do almost everything. When they're young, they're nurse bees, feeding and taking care of the baby bees called larvae. They feed them royal jelly, honey, and pollen. They're also housekeepers, cleaning the hive to keep it tidy and safe. As they grow older, worker bees become architects, building the honeycomb with wax and filling it with honey. They're also guards, protecting their home from intruders. The most adventurous worker bees are the foragers. They fly out, visiting flowers to collect nectar and pollen. They bring these back to make honey, which is food for the whole hive. Now let's meet the queen bee. She's the mother of all bees in the hive. Her main job is to lay eggs up to 2,000 a day. She also makes special scents called pheromones that help all the bees know what to do. And what about the boys? The drones! They have one important mission: to mate with a queen from another hive. They don't work inside the hive or collect food. After they mate, their journey ends, but they play a key role in creating new bees. Now, let's see how bees make honey. Worker bees visit flowers and collect sweet nectar. Back at the hive, they pass it to other bees, who chew it up and put it in the honeycomb. Then they fan it with their wings to make it thick and yummy. Once the honey is just right, they seal it with a wax lid to save for later. That's how we get honey! Thanks to the hard work of bees, we can enjoy this sweet treat. Remember, bees are our friends and help flowers grow by pollinating them. That's the end of our Bee-rilliant journey. Buzz you later and keep loving our little bee pals. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. EduFam.